Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steez Bio Simplified. Today I am going to talk to you about a life-saving course, and that course is BSc Nursing. As nurses are the most demanded ones in this corona period, you all need to know about nursing profession, especially for those who are willing to take it as a career. Nursing degree prepares nurses for a wide variety of professional roles in the healthcare sector. In this video, I will try to explain all about nursing that a nursing candidate need to know before joining this course. Okay. Course details include what is BSc Nursing, duration, eligibility, qualification, admissions, and fee structure, exam details, subjects, career opportunity, and at last salary. Okay. First, what is BSc Nursing? Bachelor of Science in Nursing, popularly known as BSc Nursing. This course totally involves serving and helping people. In India, this course is controlled and registered by Indian Nursing Council. Second, duration. It is 4 years undergraduate degree course. Here comes eligibility. Candidates who are interested in joining BSc Nursing should have passed HSC exams or an equivalent exam, and that should include physics, chemistry and biology as their main subjects. Some colleges demand BSc Nursing candidates require 45% minimum marks in their qualifying subjects, and it may vary with their categories, and some more colleges test candidates with their entrance exams, and the candidates admitting to BSc Nursing course must have completed 17 years of age at the year of joining. Okay, next, how to get admissions. First thing, you can get through based on the marks obtained in 12th marks. Second, some reputed colleges provide admission on the basis of rank obtained in the entrance exam conducted by them. Next, fee structure. Fee structure always may vary with private and medical colleges. An average of 1 to 1.5 lakhs per year may be need to spend. Next, exam details. Nursing students may have to attend one semester in a year. It includes practicals and theories. Nursing subjects include fundamentals of nursing, anatomy and physiology, medical and surgical nursing, pediatric, community health nursing, psychiatric nursing, microbiology, psychology, nutrition and biochemistry, pharmacology, sociology, computers, English, regional languages, pathology, genetics, environmental studies, child health nursing, mental health nursing, and more of patient's care and self-building classes are also be taught to the nurses. Next, we're going to talk about career opportunities. BSc Nursing graduates have a wide range of opportunities. It may include government sector, private sector and abroad opportunities as well. Next, salary. Once finishing graduation, your beginning salary would be 7,000 to 10,000 in private hospitals. So that's it about nursing, guys. Hope you guys learned something about nursing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video and share it with your friend who is willing to join nursing. Thank you.